Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're still watching Creative Business and we are still talking about emotional intelligence. Ibig sabihin, ito yung pag-handle natin ng ating emotion, pagtansya natin sa emotion natin so that maging successful tayo somehow in our own little ventures, whether it's a financial life, family life, or social life, or work life, whatever. Everything seems to be an emotion thing.
Yeah.
And if you are not prepared for it, if you're not ready, if you don't know how to handle it, probably malaki yung chance na talagang mawalan ka ng buhay na mas maaga. Amy Navarro is the chairman and founder of EQ Academy. So, let's talk about your programs. Hindi ko sure kung televiewers natin narinig na or nakapunta na sa isang emotional intelligence session. I don't know how you call it.
It's called workshops, Lloyd.
Workshop, right? You call it workshop. Thank you so much for that, being kind. So, ano yung nandito sa program? What do they expect? Do they expect like a meditation or
There's always a little bit of part of that. It's inevitable. We always have to interject meditation. But because we're 5 facilitators here and we're all meta coaches, we have all different styles of meditation. May iba pa na, si Hector, who you know, is kind of funny also in his meditation. Pam, who's a German, she's a little bit heavy on her meditation. Ako naman, I use this Hawaiian style of meditation, which is Ho'oponopono.
So, akala ko bibigyan mo ng Hawaiian punch. And then, that's
malasing na lang sila. So, we have different styles, but meditation has to be part of it. And, okay, let me just tell you the first leg that we will be pushing for the last quarter of the year, which is October 19. It's going to run from October 19 to December 19, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at Soho Residences, 4th floor in Xperia in Shaw Boulevard. So it's called Love, Peace, Joy Series Workshop. So what's going to happen there is because we're value enhancement training, right, and workshops. So the whole workshop and the series of that 3 months, kasi magpapasko na, di ba? We just want
Really?
Oh yeah, ilang araw na lang, Lloyd.
Araw na lang?
Regalo ko, ha?
Oh, I should be the one asking you that.
So anyway, so Love, Peace, and Joy Series Workshop will be focused on the value of love, peace, and joy, and what does it do to you. So yan nga yung mga nawawala na yung value of love, value of peace, value of joy. Tanongin mo mga tao, do you have peace? They will just stare and glance on thin air.
I don't know. I mean, probably if you're going to ask me, Miss Universe lang, bakit? Di ba? World peace?
I know, di ba? Parang sila na lang sumasagot ng peace, no?
Yeah.
But that's very
But
important.
they cannot answer.
But in this series, it will be nice if they will attend all the Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday workshop, because you cannot, as you said, we have lost it many years ago. We have lost it since birth already, I guess, since at your time and age now. So it will take a little bit of time also to re-engineer that in your body and your system again.
Para sa mga skeptics, hindi ba corny yan? Ano ba yan?
I will challenge.
Love, peace, joy. Hello, kanta lang ng joy to the world.
And then I will challenge them, ask them, what is love? What is the value of love?
Love is...
They will answer that within themselves. What is the value of joy? What is the value of peace? And how has it helped you in the past? In succeeding, of course, we all need monetary, financial stability. How has it helped you in your financial stability?
Right.
So we all need money to eat, to have nice clothes, and we all want, and please don't be misconstrued or be confused. We want nice cars, it's not bad. We want nice houses, it's not bad. We want lots of money, it's not bad. So how did the value of love, peace, and joy help you so far in gaining all this monetary stability?
So,
because do not be deceived. We want money.
Instrumental tong tatlong to.
Of course.
Peace, love.
Kung wala kang peace, paano ka makakapag-focus gumawa ng pera at magtrabaho?
Yeah.
Kung hindi ka loving sa trabaho mo, you're not passionately in love with your work, how can you dedicate time there?
Exactly.
If you're not enjoying it with joy, how can you do it better?
Definitely.
How can you'd be dragging yourself to work? Just like me, I do pro bono, as I mentioned to you, diba? But I will give the same intensity of energy in my workshop in a pro bono as compared to I'm being paid 150,000 or 200,000. I will give the same intensity of energy. Because that's love, peace, and joy coming from me.
And it's something it is something, I mean, if you're going to work, to walk us into your workshop, so paano to? It's like a...
It's very fluid. It's
paano,
very
kwentuhan ba? Or?
It's very fluid, just like what's happening now. But if it's a group, of course, we have a minimum of 6 to 10 people, or even 20. So it's going to be like a he said, she said. So, but we will only be asking questions. We will not tell them what to do. We will not tell them the concept of love, peace. And this is just the first series. Every 3 months, every quarter, we will have the different series.
Right.
So we will create values, and it's all about values, it's all about value enhancement. But it's all about asking, parang kwentuhan lang, but at the, may score sheet yan. May scorecard. We will score them, we will do KPIs and benchmarkings.
KPI is?
Key performance indicator.
Key performance
How could you
indicator.
say you have that value already, and how do you say that you've achieved this monetarily? We will measure that. So hindi to basta-basta lang na kwento. Meron din tayong scorecard.
The challenge would be, they will be going back to their respective workplaces.
And see how they are improving, how much they're hitting their targets or quotas, how much money they're making in their
So pag
business.
umattend sila ng isa sa mga sessions, for example lang ay first session, and then when they go back, medyo may game plan na sila.
Dapat.
Medyo
And that's
meron na
part of
sila.
the workshop. We have scorecard sheets, we have KPIs. We will equip them.
Right.
It's not just meditation and kwentuhan. It is very scientific. And if you guys want to research about it, it's neuro-linguistic programming. So just research about it. It's very scientific and it's time-tested and proven. And so that's the foundation of what we do.
Right. So they can send their people into your
Yeah,
workshop.
they can call in. I will post my website later, or my email. They can post in their registration, or they can just go to Experian.
Right. So I mean, how do you see this EQ Academy progressing in the next 3 years?
Well, our vision is...
Are you looking at
Oh yeah, Lloyd. In 2030, the vision of the academy is that we create
2030?
2030, because you know the interim of changes is every 7 years. So two segments of 7 years is about 2030, right?
So kunentan nyo pa talaga yan?
Of course, we're scientific
Yeah,
people.
of course. No, really.
So in 2030, we want to create self-sufficient citizens in every organization, meaning family, opisina, gobyerno, barangay. Because if you're self-sufficient, you don't, yan, yung sinasabi mo kanina.
Ayun yung sinasabi
Pabalik
natin.
tayo doon, di ba? Yung sinasabi mo kanina, malungkot ako, hindi kumita ang business ko, nag-break kami ng girlfriend ko.
Nawala yung pork barrel.
Oo, kasi siya ang may kasalanan. Tama na yung ganun. You have to be self-sufficient, you have to be responsible,
Right.
and be 100% responsible for whatever happens for you
Right.
within your life.
Whether you are a politician or a
Whether
business
you are,
leader
yeah.
or a public
Whatever
school
you
teacher.
are,
Yeah, I mean, dapat
Holistic.
palang nagbibigay ka ng maraming workshops sa mga local government units.
I would love that.
Diba?
And Hector, one of my board of trustees, is doing that right
Yeah,
now.
definitely.
He's with a group of mayors as we speak.
Kasi people look up to someone, probably their leader, if they don't see the things that, you know, parang pag hindi siya,
Epitomize what they
exactly, pag hindi siya naging example, and then,
And let's all start walking our talk, diba? I mean, we can all have the money we want, but
Definitely.
let's walk our talk.
But in my case, I talk the walk. So I walk.
That's
yeah.
even better. Talk the walk.
Yeah, because I walk
Talk
first and then I talk. Right.
You're hilarious, right?
Yeah, definitely. And then you're expecting some challenges ahead.
Of course, challenges.
What are the things?
Challenges will be there.
Aside from the slim chance of you bumping with
Chris Aquinas. Well, we will be very controversial, we know that, Lloyd, because we will be bumping into the, can I say this? Religious groups,
Wow.
spiritual, the faith.
I'm scared.
Even the politicians. Because imagine, what we want to create is self-sufficient citizens. Meaning, hindi ka na dependent on what people would say. On what
magagalit sa yung mga politiko.
Magalit sila.
Alam mo
Okay,
bakit?
let's face the people.
Yeah, I mean, grabe, my observation would tell me, they don't really educate the people, so they get voted again
Exactly.
sa following election.
But
So
we
yun
now
ang gagawin mo?
Yeah. In
Mukhang
fact,
hindi ka
I only have three major projects in my academy. Ayas Ana School Project, which is to teach the public school teachers NLP. The value-based film showing, to publicly show really heavy value-based films that are not shown on the screen, and voters education.
Ayun.
I-empower ko ang mga tao. You do not need the government to have negosyo.
Sige.
You do not need the government to eat. Magbanat ka ng buto.
Sige. Ang launching natin mamaya?
Mamaya,
paki-announce?
3:30 in Primus Lounge.
Pwede mo i-address ang nation ngayon?
Okay, everybody, will be launching EQ Academy in Primus Lounge in Shaw Boulevard. It's in Greenfields District. I hope to see you all there so that you know how to manage your emotions and you know the beautiful 5 members of my board of trustees in the EQ Academy. So I hope to see you all there. It's a public event, so see you there in Greenfields District,
All right.
Primus Lounge.
Wow. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
May number ka, hindi mo nabanggit yung number ng
Oh,
office
okay.
or
Please call
cellphone.
us at 341-5822. Look for Jackie or PJ to book to reserve your slots for the workshops. 341-5822. Look for PJ or Jackie.
Amy Navarro, the chairman and founder of EQ Academy. Thank you so much for your time. This is a very enjoyable interview. One of the things I will never forget, this one. Although lagi ko naman sinasabi yan sa lahat ng guests ko. Thank you so
I
much.
guess so. Yeah, pleasure. Namaste.
Salamat. Another wonderful edition of Creative Business. I'm going to see you again next week. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.